Hello guys, I am doing a Dream League video, and so I'm against Real Madrid, and I'm so totally gonna beat them. Here is Pele, Jukes. Oh come on, Maradona to put in. Oh come on, jeez, you're rough. Yes. Any Jukes? Any Jukes? Oh my gosh. Slide on. Be boss. Oh, come on. And I'm a pass him lose them. Okay, got it. I've got. Oh gosh, how could their defense be so good? They even take it from Pele, who's on my team, and Maradona. Wow. Oh, why does he keep doing the rainbow kick? Let's do this. Let's do this. This time I actually want him to do the rainbow kick. And let's go. Oh my god. Oh, this guy is getting tired. Okay. Let's move that over. And Swag Bros. Oh, come on. Are you serious? Come on, I can handle anything. Pele. What a goal. Obvious goal. 2 swag for you, Madrid. Halftime now, and I'm bashing them. Whoops. Okay, let's do this. Second half. We only have to survive that much longer. Neymar. Oh my god. Yeesh. Wow. Nice, pretty good. Oh, mackerel. Nice, Neuer. Oh, whoops. Not him? Yep, him. Took them all out. Oh, he didn't even need a juke. I'm getting kind of slow, so I had to shoot it. Since I went from the other half, but okay. What a goal. That was amazing. I'm going to replay that, actually. Oh, he trips it, but then he fails, and then he does a rainbow, and he... Ah! Okay, let's get back to this. And we're going to beat them. Don't worry, bros. We're already winning, so... Oh, he got the jukes, I'm gonna just take some risks. Oh my gosh, that was so close.
Well, you have to say there's not much chance of a comeback here now. Ronaldo stands over the
Let's go for him. Because Ronaldo, he's such a show off. Ah, what else? game bosses.
He has a goal in his sights. Casillas with the save. The defender could be so...
Oh my god. Oh, that's obvious.
3 goals to 1 now. And the officials indicated 2 minutes.
You gotta admit, this is an awesome game. Okay, I got 34 coins, and thank you for watching one of my Vingtor videos. See you later. Bye.